This is the problem 2 which I solved. In this, we are given a sphere and two random walkers, the rat and cat, can move on the surface of the sphere. There are two cases. The rat and cat are initially at diametrically opposite points to each other. In the case 2, they start at the same point. We again have to find the survival probability of rat with respect to time as well as the radius r of the sphere. Before solving this question, we will make one small assumption. This assumption is that the random walker moves a unit step length at each point of, or rather instant of, time. Also, we will use the polar coordinate system for solving this question. Given a sphere, we can say that a point lies at a point r comma theta comma phi, that is, this point can be represented using the coordinates r comma theta comma alpha or phi. Now if we want to find probability of a point to be at an angle alpha on the sphere, that is on the circular strip, this is equal to arc length by perimeter, that is d alpha by 2 pi. Similarly, probability of the point to be at an angle theta with the z axis can be derived to be sine theta d theta by 2. Thus, probability of a point to lie at r comma theta comma alpha is given at p of theta is given by p of theta comma alpha equal to sine theta d theta by 2 into d alpha by 2 pi equal to sine theta d alpha by 4 pi. Now we found the probability of the point to lie at theta comma phi, as r will always be constant. Let the point initially lie at a point A, and this is the longitude and latitude passing through the point A. Let the point B lie on a small circle that is of radius r from A. So now we zoom out for that small circle and we say that the angle between A and B is beta and the radius is equal to C. Here C is the unit step length that I was talking about earlier. Thus, del theta can be found out to be C cos beta by R and del R as C sin beta by R using basic trigonometry. This can further be written as C dash by R and del R as C double dash by R, that is there are two random constants. Now probability of meeting is as follows. It is a double integral of alpha and theta into double integral of alpha and theta of p of alpha comma theta d alpha. Alpha varies from 0 to 2 pi and theta varies from 0 to pi, and p of alpha comma theta had been found out earlier to be this. This is equivalent to c dash c double dash by 4 pi capital R square whole square into d theta d alpha. This being a constant can be taken out of the integral and we calculate the net answer to be as follows. The 4 pi square will get cut with the integral values of d theta d alpha. This is the probability of meeting at a point. We need to find the survival probability, which is given as 1 minus p meet, that is 1 minus c dash square c double dash square by r4. Thus probability of survival is directly proportional to 1 minus 1 by r to the power 4. This implies probability of survival increases as the radius decreases. Similarly, we can also show that with increase in time, the probability of survival decreases. Thus, this is the time dependency and this is the radius dependency of survival of rat in the second question.